A very warm welcome to Genie's Crochet Corner, and would really love to know what part of the world you're watching from. In today's tutorial, I'd just like to show you how to crochet this cuddly blanket pattern. It's quite a solid pattern, and once made up, it will be quite cuddly. So this is the front of the blanket, and this will be the back of the blanket, so you could probably use either side if you wanted to. For a written pattern, please see the description below. For this blanket pattern, we're going to be using a multiple of 3 chain plus 4. So for today's tutorial, I'm going to be using making 18 chain plus 4, which will give me 22 chain. I'm using a 6.5mm crochet hook and 8-ply yarn. Depending on the yarn you want to use, you need to use the corresponding size crochet hook. So I'm just going to make a slip knot. And I'm going to chain 18. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, and I'm going to make an extra 4 chain. 1, 2, 3, 4. I now have 22 chain. So into the 3rd chain from the hook, so 1, 2, the 3rd chain from the hook, I'm going to work a double crochet. So we're making the foundation row. So for the entire row, we're going to be working 1 double crochet into each chain, and this is the foundation row where we work our pattern. We can work our pattern from there. So I'm just going to work these double crochet across, 1 into each chain. And depending on the ply of yarn you're using, just use the corresponding size crochet hook, because it's suitable for any type of yarn. So we're just making the 1 double crochet into each chain across. So just 1 double crochet, and this just forms the basis upon which we're going to be able to work our pattern. And this is a 2-row repeat pattern for the entire blanket. So just 1 double crochet into each chain. And 1 double crochet into the last chain. So I started with 22 chain. I'm going to end up with 1 stitch less than the 22 chain. So I should have 21 stitches. So we count this turning chain, the 2 chain here, as a stitch. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21. So if you're doing your multiples of 3 plus 4, you will end up with one stitch less than the number of chain you have made. So for round 2, we're going to chain 1, 2. And this chain counts as the turning chain, so we don't use the first double crochet. Into the next double crochet, we're going to work a double crochet. So we have our turning chain and the 1 double crochet into the second one, because we don't use the stitch. The 2 chain stands as the first double crochet. Round the next 2 double crochet, we're going to work 2 front post double crochet. So just insert like that, and that's 1 front post double crochet, and then the same, a second front post double crochet. And then we're going to, into the next double crochet, work a single crochet. Round the next 2 double crochet, we work our 2 front post double crochet. And that is how the pattern looks. That's the first row of the pattern. Into the next double crochet, a single crochet. Around the next 2 double crochet, a front post double crochet, and then another front post double crochet, and then a single crochet. Around these 2 front post double crochet, and then a single crochet. And around these 2 front post double crochet, and into the next stitch a single crochet. So we're left with 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. This 2 chain turning chain counts as a stitch. Around the next 2 double crochet, we're going to work 2 front post double crochet. And the last 2 stitches into this double crochet, we're going to work a double crochet. And into the turning chain, straight into the turning chain, we're going to work 1 double crochet. So we have our 2 double crochet on this side, our 2 double crochet on that side, and we have the pattern in between. For the second row of the pattern, we're going to chain 2. These 2 chains stand as a stitch for this double crochet here. So we miss this double crochet, and into each stitch across, we're going to be working 1 double crochet. So just the 1 double crochet into each stitch across. And this is the second row of the pattern, and it's just the 2 row repeat pattern. And it works up to be quite a cuddly, chunky sort of blanket pattern. So just the 1 double crochet into each stitch. So just one double crochet, one double crochet, one double crochet into the last double crochet here, and then we have our turning chain, which is a stitch. We're going to just work one double crochet into there, and that is the second row of the pattern. So we just repeat the first row of the pattern, then the second row of the pattern, and continuing the 2 rows of the pattern. And I should still have my 21 stitches. So this 2 chain counts. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21 stitches. So you can make it as long as you want, as long as you have a multiple of 3 chain plus 4, and just repeat the first and the second pattern rows for the length of the blanket you want. And I'd just like to say thank you for watching, and in the next tutorial we'll have part 2, where I will show you how to make the edge of the blanket, the border of the blanket. And until next time, enjoy crocheting.